In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your color changes when you knit a project where you knit I-cord as you go to wrap around your project to get nice clean color changes on your edges. So I am now at the point where I have to change my color, and I will simply slip my 3 I-cord stitches back to my right needle. I will take my new color and I will just lay it through the stitches like that, with the little tail hanging out at the front, and then I will slip my stitches back, and then I'm ready to knit. So my yarn, working yarn, will come from the same space as where my main color would have came from. The other way that you can do the color change is when you knit your wrong side row before a color change, where you will bring your working yarn to the front to slip those 3 stitches. You can also then place your new color through like this, with the tail then at the back, and this yarn, new working yarn, coming to the front so that it is in the same position as your main color, and then you just slip those 3 stitches. Both of these methods will give you exactly the same result. I'm now at the right side of my work. I will keep this little yarn tail in place so that I don't pull on it too much, and then simply start knitting my project. So I'm going to knit to the end of my project and knit back, and then I will show you how to change color again when we get back to this side. I am now 4 stitches away from the end of the row, so I will knit this stitch and I will bring the yarn forward and slip 3 purlwise with yarn in front. Turn the work, and then I will start knitting again with my main color. So I will drop the contrast color over this yarn and just pick up my main color and start knitting with that. Don't be alarmed by this little loose stitch. If you pull on the tail, it will close up nicely, and then you can hide this tail in your I-cord when you are weaving away the ends. I am back again where I'm going to do another color change. So I will knit to 3 stitches before the end of the row, bring my yarn forward and slip the 3 stitches purlwise. I'll turn the work, drop my current color over the color that I want to knit with, bring that up and start knitting. And as this I-cord continues to grow, it will turn on in itself there, and it will snap into place so that the whole carry is not visible. It will hide it in there. So this yarn end that is here on the front of the work can be weaved in and hidden inside this I-cord when you are done with your project. This technique is used in my Tranquility Cowl pattern. I have added the links to the pattern in the description box below this video. If you want to carry the yarn for more than 2 garter rows, watch this video next to see how to carry the yarn over 4 garter rows and hide it efficiently inside the I-cord. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.